Okay, so hello friends, today in this video I will tell you some of the cool features, 10 cool features of this OnePlus 3 or OnePlus 3T, whichever phone you have. And yeah, I hope that you will like my video, so let's begin. Okay, so the first feature is that you can lock your applications using your fingerprint. So to do that, first go to settings, down at the security and fingerprint, click that, and down you will find there is the option called app locker. Just click that and enter your password. Okay, so after entering the password you will see all the applications which are installed in your device, and you can lock the device using your pattern or pin or your fingerprint. So for example, I have locked Spotify, so let me show you. If you click on Spotify you will see this screen, and to unlock it just you can use your fingerprint. For example, I have used my fingerprint, and as you can see it unlocked. Okay, so the next one is that you can customize your navigations button. So to do that, first go to settings, then under the buttons option where you under the customization, click that, and here you can see that you can enable backlit, or you can swap the buttons if you want, or also you can use on-screen navigation buttons. Okay, so the third one is that you can customize the icons which is present in the OnePlus 3T. OnePlus has introduced some of the cool icons in this device. They have ribbon and dives icon pack in almost all the common and popular applications. You can either select the category, or if you want you can choose any of them simultaneously. So to do that you can choose, for example, if you want to do any particular application, you can click the application and then drag it to edit. Then there you can find the icon, then just click it, and then you can choose in either of the two. For example, I am choosing ribbon, and similar matches you can find some of the similar icons which are cool, or else if you want then you can also choose dives, and it is like circular and similar with the similar pattern. Or else if you want all the applications to be of similar type, then you can click on the home screen, then go to optimize, then you can find the ribbon and the dives. If you click either of them, then all the icons will be changed to the similar type. Okay, so the fourth one is that there are some of the cool gestures which OnePlus has introduced. These are the common ones, but still it is a feature, so I'm showing you. Under the settings, there you can find where is it? Under the gestures tab, you can check out some of the cool gestures. For example, double tap to wake, then music control to draw two parallel lines, or you can draw greater than or lesser than brackets to either go to the previous or the next track, or also you can also draw O to open the camera, or V to to switch on the flashlight. For example, let me show you. I'm drawing an O and the camera opened. Or else if you want you can double tap the screen to wake up, or if you draw V then you can switch on the flashlight. There is also one cool gesture which is drag with 3 fingers to click the screenshot. So yeah, these are some of the cool and the snappiest features which I like. So yeah. Okay, so with the latest 7.1.1 update, you will be able to take long screenshots. For example, let me show you. Okay, so this is my YouTube page, so I will draw with 3 fingers to take the screenshot, and then you can find this one option. If you click that, then it will take a long screenshot, and yeah, here it is. So the screenshot will be taken until the page ends. So yeah, finally this feature came in this device. Okay, so the sixth one is that you can change the theme and the accent color of your OnePlus 3 or 3T. So to do that, first go to settings. By default it will be with the stock Android experience, the dark with the dark and the light one mixed. So to do that, first go to display, and down in the theme tab you can see that there are default light and dark. So you can choose to dark. For example, I like the dark one, and you can also choose the accent color. For example, here the accent color is chosen to blue. As you can see, the system and the screen all are the font color is blue, so you can also change that one too. For example, let me choose it to orange, and as you can see that now the options are chosen to orange. Okay, so the seventh one is that you can customize each and every button. Since you know OnePlus is using the Oxygen OS, so you get a variety of customizations. So you can customize each of the buttons which you see by going to settings, and then you can, under the customization, go to buttons. Then you can also use the double tap action and use the turn off screen which is present in the Moto G5 Plus, by which you can enable, or also you can double tap to make it sleep. So it's a really nice and cool gesture which the Moto G5 Plus also has. And yeah, you can also customize the long press button, the long press action of the home screen, the recent buttons and the back buttons. So yeah. Okay, so the eighth one is that you can customize the notification light for each application. Since it is since this OnePlus 3 or the 3T has a notification LED light, so you can customize the notification light if you want. So go to settings, and then under the display tab down you can see the pulse notification light. You can turn it on, and then in the LED notifications you can customize it for default notification, for battery full, or for battery charging, or battery low. Then for per notification you can click the application and you can choose which application's notification you want. And for some of the common or the popular applications, for example WhatsApp, there you can, in the options you can find the option to change the notification color. For example, let me show you. Okay, so go to WhatsApp, and then in the notifications settings you can find here message notification. You can see light option over there. Then you can choose whichever colors notification you want. For example, I've chosen cyan. So okay, so as you can see that the notification color is cyan. Here it is cyan, and the notification I got is from WhatsApp. So for some of the popular applications you can find the options to customize the notification LED light in the app notification itself. Okay, so the ninth one is the proximity wake up. This is a really cool feature and I love this one. So to enable that, first go to settings, then under the display menu you can find at the bottom the proximity wake up. First you have to enable the ambient display, so it will be like this. So you have to enable the ambient display first, then you can enable the proximity wake up. Now just wave your hand or any substance above your proximity sensor, just like this, and as you can see that there will be any notification or any apps notification. If you get, then you will be able to check it out here. By default, if you don't have any application, any notification, then you will just see the time and the date and the month. Okay, so the 10th one is that you can view the time along with the seconds. So if you are a person who wants to measure the accurate time along with the seconds tab, you can do that by going to the settings. Then in the status bar at the bottom you can find the time option. Click that and then you can choose the show hours, minutes and seconds, and after choosing that you will be able to see the time along with the seconds. Okay, so I hope that you have liked my video. If you liked it, please, I would appreciate if you click the like button, and if you have any specific queries, do not forget to comment in the comment section below, and please share it to everybody, your friends and family members, and I hope to see you in my next video.